This is my strategy on how I plan to monetize a 28 subscriber Faceless YouTube channel. So I'm going to be telling you on what inspired me to make this channel, what niche is the channel in, my content schedule, how I plan to monetize my Faceless YouTube channel without relying on YouTube ad revenue, because since I'm at 28 subscribers, I am 10,000 miles away from 1,000 subscribers. And am I going to sell this channel in the future? So when we come down here, this is the channel details. I'll touch bases on this link right here. So as you can see, I have 28 subscribers. I've uploaded 17 videos. I have 4,524 views, and I joined YouTube on the 18th of September 2024. So going back to this link, this particular Faceless YouTube channel has a Instagram theme page. So the Instagram theme page promotes the Faceless YouTube channel, and the Faceless YouTube channel promotes the Instagram theme page. So they're intertwined, it works perfectly, and I'm going to be showing you how I run everything. But firstly, I'm going to be touching on these points right here. So what inspired me to make this channel? So this channel is about a particular South African artist that I listen to almost every day. And obviously with this channel being based around an artist, there are different channels or different Instagram theme pages that are made behind this artist. So I'm like, okay, I listen to this artist almost every single day. How can I show my love and appreciation to the type of music he does? So I'm like, okay, I can do a Instagram theme page. So I started with an Instagram theme page, and right now it's currently sitting at like 200-ish followers, and it's doing better than I expected, or it's doing better than the Faceless YouTube channel, which I don't mind at all, because I know that with the type of content that I'm going to post, it's going to be extremely beneficial for both of these platforms. And I would like to consider this Faceless YouTube channel and the Instagram theme page as a faceless personal brand. So I'm building a faceless personal brand behind this artist to show my love and appreciation for the type of music he blesses us with. The next point, what niche is the channel in? So the type of content I post is just lyrical breakdowns of the type of songs he does. So what I do is that I ask the audience on Instagram, what song should I lyrically break down on the YouTube channel? Then I give them 3 or 4 songs to choose from. Then the song that has the highest votes, that's the song that I lyrically break down on the YouTube channel. So if I'm doing that, then obviously it's in the entertainment niche. I can't make it in the make money online niche or the travel niche. So since it's in the entertainment niche, but particularly for a South African artist, obviously my target audience are gonna be South Africans. And based on what I see on the internet with a lot of channels that are based in South Africa, the YouTube ad revenue is low, sitting at like $2 to $5 per 1,000 views. So I always ask myself, I'm like, okay, I am not really going to reinvent the wheel with the type of content that I post, but how can I be different? Because I do not want to just post random things about this particular artist, even though that's a good way because it shows that I am really invested in him. But I see this faceless personal brand in a professional level, and I do not want to post just random things about the artist. I want to carefully curate the script and the music that I use and the visuals that I use, which boils down to the third point, my content schedule. So as I said that I started this Faceless YouTube channel on the 18th of September, then the first video was published on the 19th of September, getting 20 views, which is not bad, but it is bad. Then my content schedule is just posting 1 video per week, as you can see from here, but the week between the 10th of October and the 24th of October, I kind of slacked because I was busy with other things. I know that's a stupid reason, but I was really busy. And this is not a YouTube automation channel. I run this YouTube channel by myself. I have this channel that I'm focusing on, my other businesses, and this channel that I'm talking about right here, and other Faceless YouTube channels that I'll touch on in the upcoming videos. But as you can see, I have a video that is scheduled to go out on the 7th of November. So what I do on this Faceless YouTube channel is that I post every Thursday at 6:30 South African Standard Time, because my target audience, since this person is a South African, lives in South Africa. So this is the long form videos that I post. Then what I do to also get maximum views or subscribers to this particular Faceless YouTube channel is that I also post shorts. So what I essentially do is that if the video goes out every Thursday at 6:30, I am going to allow YouTube to find the right audience for the videos that I post. Then if not, every Sunday at the same time that I upload the long form video, I post a short which promotes the long form video, or which tells the shorts viewers to watch the full lyrical breakdown of that particular song. But as you can see, I did a silly mistake. I uploaded the long form video on the 19th, then I posted the short on the 20th. Then I'm like, this doesn't really make sense as to why I did that. So from the 26th, I uploaded a long form video, then I uploaded a short, but this was just a random short. It was not a short that was promoting the long form video. It was just a short because there were things happening with this artist. So I just said, you know what, let me capitalize on this opportunity. Maybe I might get a lot of views. And turns out I didn't get any views, only 231. So the content schedule for this YouTube channel is that I post every Thursday the long form video, then every Sunday I post the short form video to promote the long form video. I didn't take a screenshot of the recent shorts that I got, but there's a short that is sitting at like 900 to 1,000 views, which is not bad considering that I only have 28 subscribers. Then the fun part of this video is how I plan to monetize my channel without relying on YouTube ad revenue. So this is my monetization strategy. So this artist sells merch, or he has a merch store. So I see what type of merch does he sell and what sells out most, or what does his audience buy. And the merch that he sells and almost sells out every time is t-shirts, hoodies, beanies, hats, tote bags. And this one he doesn't sell them, but I'm planning to sell them, is posters. So I'll put screenshots right over here with the type of t-shirts that I'm planning to sell, the hoodies, tote bags, the beanies, and the hats. Then digital products. As you know, I love digital products, and I find digital products the easiest way to make a living, even though I have 28 subscribers. So the digital products that I'm gonna be selling are gonna be lyrical ebooks, phone wallpapers, and beats. So with lyrical ebooks, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take a particular album, lyrically break it down as I do in the videos, then sell it to the audience. So I'm gonna be taking each and every song in that album, whether it's a feature or not, then I'm gonna be lyrically breaking down the lyrics. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna pop in the lyric right over there, then I'm gonna analyze the lyric, pop in the lyric again, I'm gonna analyze it just like that. Then I'm gonna do a full ebook for that particular album, then I'm gonna sell it for like $27 or $50. It depends on the length of the album and how much work I need to put in to make that ebook. So I'm already in the process of making the first lyrical ebook, and I'm also sharing it with the audience on Instagram, and they say they can't wait for the lyrical ebook to come out. So with phone wallpapers, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go to Pinterest and Instagram, and I'm gonna make a collection on the pictures this artist has posted on the internet, but they're gonna be fitted to be a phone wallpaper. I think it's like 9x16. So yes, I'm gonna do that, just a collection. I'm gonna sell it for like maybe $10 or $15. And last but not least, I'm gonna be selling beats. So I already have an artist who uploads beats on YouTube for this particular artist, and I've already spoken to him to make me beats for this particular artist, like the type of beats that this particular artist hops onto and makes a song. So I've already asked this music producer to make me a minimum of 10 beats. He charged me, I think, like 3,000 Rand, which is roughly $170. So I'm gonna be paying him $170 or 3,000 Rand for 10 beats. Then from there, I'm gonna be selling it to the audience then scaling up from there. And the reason why I like digital products is that if I create them once, I can sell them forever and ever and ever and ever. I do not have to restock the inventory. There's no shipping times. As soon as they buy the digital product, they get it on their email, and there are higher profit margins, maybe from like 95 to 100%. It depends on what type of website I use to host the digital product on. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna do a landing page, a small landing page on Google. Then I'm gonna also do a payment processor, maybe like PayPal. Then as soon as someone buys a lyrical ebook, the phone wallpaper bundle, or the beats, then it's gonna be automatically delivered to them via their email. And if I'm using PayPal, I think PayPal is gonna take 2 to 3%. So I'm gonna be left with 98 to 97%. In which I see that the merch, like the t-shirts, the hoodies, and the tote bags are making money, and I can invest it back to sell more physical products. And as you can see, we have received 4,500 views. We achieved it on the 4th of November. This is the channel right over here, and unfortunately I can't show you the channel because, as I said, we are only sitting at 28 subscribers, and I do not want, really people to copy the type of videos that I do. So I'm sorry. And last but not least, am I gonna sell the channel? To be honest, I do not think I am gonna sell the channel, but money talks at the end of the day in the world we live in. But in all honesty, I don't think I'm gonna sell the channel because I see the potential that it has, and I love connecting with a lot of people from different parts of South Africa. And this personal brand has audience from the US, from Nigeria, from Zimbabwe, Zambia, Angola, Congo, and stuff like that. So I don't think I'll ever sell the channel because I see the potential that it has to make me at least $5,000 per month. And what I always take from people who run multiple Faceless YouTube channels is that do not wait to get 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. Just sell whatever you wanna sell. Just monetize your small audience, and obviously if you monetize that small audience, it's gonna compound gradually, making you more money and growing your audience. So in a later video, I'm gonna be showing you on how I plan to monetize the Instagram theme page of this Faceless YouTube channel. And if you want to see on how I edit videos for this Faceless YouTube channel, let me know in the comments or leave a like on the video for me to see whether or not you want me to show you on how I edit videos for this Faceless YouTube channel. That's it for me for now, and see you in the next one.